Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. So guys, if you are trying to uninstall some apps on your Android phone but you don't get the option to uninstall them like this, here I will show you how can you uninstall such apps. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, as you can see this, if I am trying to uninstall this app, it has no option to be uninstalled. So guys, here you can see this, if I am trying to uninstall this app, then there is no option to uninstall the app. And if I go to any other app, like here I am going to uninstall my Facebook, and I will get the option to uninstall it. So guys, press and hold the app and go to app info, and from here you can easily see uninstall button. Since you want to install some apps which don't have uninstall button, then you have to simply go to that app and press and hold that app, and then go to app information. And here you can see this, if you're unable to uninstall that app, then you have to simply disable the app, or you have to simply force stop the app from here. So guys, if you don't like this app and you don't want to have it on your Android device, then you have to simply tap on and disable button, or you have to simply tap on force stop from here. So guys, in this way you can disable or force stop your app, but you cannot uninstall that app on your device on Android. So guys, you can see this, if I am going to press and hold this app, and if I go to app information, there is no button to uninstall the apps. So guys, since you don't get the button, then you have to simply go back, and then you have to simply press and hold the app again, then go to app information, and then simply disable the app or force stop the app on your Android phone. So guys, in this way you cannot see that app, or it will not be showing up on your Android device again, and you will not be able to, or you don't need to uninstall it on your device. So guys, simply press and hold that app and disable or force stop that app, and then you will be able to use your device smoothly again. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.